In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the failed to load PDF document error in Google Chrome. If you're someone who's been experiencing this frustrating issue, don't worry. We're going to go through two straightforward solutions that you can use to resolve this problem and get back to viewing your PDF documents without a hitch. The first thing you'll want to try is reloading the page. I know it sounds simple, but sometimes that's all you need to do. There are instances where the PDF file didn't load completely, and a quick refresh could do the trick. Here's how you do it. With the PDF tab open in Google Chrome, simply press Ctrl and R on your keyboard at the same time. This key combination will refresh the page, allowing it to try loading the PDF again. More often than not, this simple refresh is enough to solve the issue by re-establishing the connection needed to display the document correctly. Now, if reloading the page didn't solve your problem, the next step is to clear Chrome's temporary files. Cached files and cookies can get outdated or corrupted over time, and this can lead to loading problems for various websites, including those that handle PDFs. To start, open Google Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open up a window where you can clear your browsing data. In this window, you'll want to set the time range to all time to ensure any residual data that might be causing the issue is removed. Make sure to check the boxes for cached images and files and cookies and other site data. These are typically the main culprits for loading issues. Once you've done that, click on Clear Data. Afterward, close Chrome completely and then reopen it. This helps ensure that all changes take effect, and when you go back to the PDF you were trying to view, it should load without any trouble. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the failed to load PDF document error in Google Chrome easily. Reloading the page can, in many cases, instantly rectify any temporary glitches that might be preventing the document from loading. Clearing your temporary files is a more thorough approach that addresses any corrupted data that could be interfering with how your browser processes and displays PDF files. Remember, keeping your browser healthy and clean of excess temporary files not only helps with loading PDFs, but can improve your overall browsing experience. Give these methods a try, and you'll likely find that resolving this issue is simpler than it initially seemed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get back to viewing your PDFs with ease.